Hello kids, welcome back to my English class. Let's review your previous lessons. Cô trò chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau review lại nội dung bài trước nhé. Neighbor, neighbor. Pastries, pastries, pastries. Nuts, nuts. Tie, tie. Get, neighbor. Các em tự đọc nào. Get, pastry. Nuts, tie. Our neighbors, our neighbors. Our neighbors are very kind. They are Mr. and Mrs. Gus. Mr. Gus says, "My dear friends, come and have lunch with us. Let's buy a present for Mr. Gus." What can we buy? He likes pastries. He likes nuts. Or let's buy a tie. Let's buy a present for Missy Gus. What can we take? Take. She likes chocolate. She likes fruit. Or let's take a cake. Our neighbors are very kind. They are Mr. and Mrs. Gus. Mr. Gus says, "My dear friends, come and have lunch with us." Okay, now let's move on next part. Cloud, clock. Cloud, clock. Gloves, glue. Gloves, glue. Slide, slippers. Slide, slippers. I take off my slippers. I go outside. I put on my gloves. And I play on the slide. Look at the clock. I see clouds in the sky. I see clouds in the sky. Time to take off my gloves. Time to say goodbye. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye guys. Các em nhớ xem lại video nhiều lần và luyện tập thật nhuần nhuyễn trước khi gửi bài cho cô nhé. Tạm biệt các em.